Alright, well, we're two-tracking it up in Negaunee, out in the middle of fucking nowhere, going to the hunting camp, and we're hoping we don't get stuck doing all this off-roading. Here. Two-track, look at that.
Man, I got too much going on over here.
Making this. Oh yeah, there's the mud.
See what you're doing? Stay to the keep your gas.
There we go. Oh yeah.
My beer.